A tickle in your nose. Something doesn't belong there. Dust, pollen, or pepper. Tiny particles invade. Nerve endings scream, alert, to your brain stem. Your brain's sneeze center takes over. It's an automatic reflex. Your body prepares, a huge breath in. Chest expands. Pressure builds, throat closes, lungs compress. Then, explosion. Air blasts out at 100 miles per hour. Your eyes shut automatically, a protective reflex. The sneeze clears the invaders, mucus and particles fly out. Your body resets. A sigh, muscles relax. Brain gets the all clear. It's a powerful reset button for your nasal passages. Can't stop a sneeze. It's a spinal reflex, faster than thought. A sneeze, your body's explosive defense against nasal invaders.